Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw your USDT from Binance. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have a Binance account. And if you do not possess a Binance account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you're able to verify your account and you've logged in, simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you're there, you're met with the overview where you can have a look at your funding, meaning your accounts. You can have a look at your accounts, both your account and crypto, by simply swiping or using this mini menu. So now simply scroll from your overview to your spot and from your spot to your funding. Now, as you can see, I've got some USDT here. So simply click on the USDT, select withdrawal, select send via crypto network. Now, once you're on the send USDT menu, all you need to do is simply minimize, select or find a wallet you wish to send your USDT to. I'll be using the Trust wallet. So simply click on your Trust wallet, and with your Trust wallet opened up, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, click on it, and where we have the search icon, search for USDT. Now, as you can see, we have USDT on the ERC20, TRC20, we have on the BEP20, Aptos, Arbitrum, Optimism, and so many other networks. Please make sure you have the network you wish to send, or you know the network you wish to send to. I'm going to be going with the TRC20. Activate it by clicking on this toggle here. Once you've done this, click on TRC20. Click on the receive option and copy the TRC address. As you can see, it's quite different, so please make sure the address is copied properly. Minimize and open up your Binance again, paste the address there, select the network, which is the Tron. So please make sure you find the Tron network, TRC20. Here we go. Click on the TRC20 and you can see the minimum to send is $10. So please, if you have up to 10 or more than 10, I advise you do that. And once you've done this, simply click on the withdrawal option and your USDT would be deposited directly on your Trust wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can withdraw USDT from Binance, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.